everybody, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Upia. Oh man, what have we got here? Oh my gosh. You guys, look at this. Look at this reflection. What is this? It shows what I'm looking at, but like practically upside down. Oh, that is trippy. Because if I'm looking down and then I look, it looks like I'm looking down or something. It looks like I'm like looking underneath myself. I was just coming in here to get water. I don't like being in this water anymore. You guys, we gotta go check out the other things. Anyway, so I just fed everybody, including the Christmas lights. And now I just gotta stock up on everybody's boards, sell everything else then, I guess. Man, I really didn't collect them? Like, why would I do that? Why? That is danger, hazard. Okay, come on. Weird. Oh, it's because I was... Okay, so I actually need more pink plorts. So I am not going to do this. Do the pink plorts. I'm not going to trade them in for money. So we need honey. Honey slimes. Because, we can merge them with our crystals. Yada yada yada. It works out. Ouch. That was rude. I'm like so surprised that it had this many. Gotta get the rest of these too. Really, I swear I collected these. I don't know why. Okay. Let's see, are there any upgrades I can do? No. So you guys, we might be like out of upgrades, so I'm just gonna buy a bunch of the rewards clubs. Oh man, yes! Slime toy shop? You guys, we need this. We need this, we need this, we need this. I didn't know there were more than one colors. Firecracker. Oh man, you guys. Firecracker for everything. Firecracker. This might be one of my favorites. Yeah, I like that a lot. Ooh. Let's, there's still one we haven't tried. Oh no, the pink plorts. Was not thinking. That's okay. Grape shot. Let's try instead. Do I like that instead? Tech needs to be grape shot. Everything grape shot. Oh, you guys, that's amazing. That is fantastic. I think I'm gonna mix this up. Let's see. So, firecracker. House cobalt, because I love that. Tech. That. Vac firecracker. No. Tech firecracker. No. Sorry. Yeah. Tech firecracker. Vac grape shot. And boom. I love the purple vac with the green. It's great. I look so discombobulated. Oh, we should get these. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Now, what do? You're like different. Yes! Oh my goodness. Oh, this is so important. Y'all take back your plorts, actually. Yeah, take them. This is so important. Get you later. Oil, yes. I don't know if you guys realize how important this is, but this is so cool. Oh yes, now we can like transport the, oh man. This is actually so cool. Oh yeah, Okay, time to put everything in here. Take my jellystone, my oil, my slime fossil, and my lava dust. Watch this. We can buy these. except for my burnt plorts. My paint plorts. You guys, we have a lot to do here. Let's do this. Whew. Are we missing one of these? Did we not find two? No, maybe we didn't. Okay. Oh man, you guys, I'm so very excited. Oh, I don't know if you guys can tell how excited I am. You probably can't, but like, I'm so excited. Okay, this is literally only two. Let's take these, take these. What I need to get is, take a look. Okay, if I go in the build mode, I can just quickly take a little build right there, even though I can't build anything. I'll just build them like right here, and then yeah, and then I can transfer all my plorts into that thing. That thing I can transport into the other thing. Yeah, that makes sense to myself, I promise. So let's do that. Quickly just no. And then if you see, I can put a plort collector right there, so it transports the plorts. Nope, didn't mean to do that. All the way over there. Actually, I could do that for like, no, I actually need all the plorts. Normally don't work through the night like this. Desperate times for desperate measures. I don't even care about those actually. No, I do. Only care about the odd onions. If you're not an onion, you can get out. Get out me life, carrots. Get out me life. There we go. Whew. And you guys, I'm pretty sure there was an update, but I'm not sure what it is. I am kind of not sure. Hello, friends. Just get rid of all those. Okay. Let's do it. Okay, now we can buy these things. Okay, I need to make another of these pumps. Yeah. Or was it a pump? Yeah, I need to make another pump badly. First, I need to fabricate one of these. And I need to put it, no, not here, sadly. You know, it would be a lot easier. It'd be a lot, yeah, it would, but I'm not gonna do it. Okay. So I'm gonna build right here. Install and actually, can I pick up gadget? Can I make it face like this way? Install. Oh, that's a lot better. Actually, kind of. Sorry, you guys, that I'm doing this, but this is cool. So, then over here. And now I can transport if there's any extras. Yes. Yes. How does that work? And then can I do multiple items though? I don't think so. Oh man, that's okay. I'm just gonna say, let's say like I'm collecting these and can't. This is too trippy to look at. I'm so sorry for you guys. I feel so bad. It's from that update that they did. Oh man. It's so glitch. It's so glitch. Okay. And then let's say that I was collecting things and I'm like, oh, I need to transfer all my puddle plorts. Because I don't have enough space to carry everything. Now I'll just come over here and then sell the rest of my things and just take those out. Oh my gosh, that's useful. Okay. Now I just need one running to over here from over there. Oh yes, you guys, I know what to do. Okay, let's sleep. Do a quick feeding session. I will see you guys when I am ready to build some more things. Okay, everybody. After a long feeding session, I'm finally getting back to. So we're going to now put these in so we can get some more things. And I'll show you that I have to do this. And I also have to get these. And I also left these right in here. So we can go put all these, because these are the ingredients we need, not the phosphor chlorides, but still we have them. Also threw in a U over here. So let's go do that, shall we? Oh man, these guys. Did I feed you? Yes, I did. That would be silly. Why wouldn't I feed you? I'm just gonna throw these in here too. You'll never know what we need for crystal quartz. Okay. So we're gonna put all these in here. I think I can make some more pumps so we can make some more of those pink things. Fabricate. 2 pumps. So what are some things that I can buy here? Advanced drill. Purchase that. Ooh, how much is the slime ball? Oh, slime ball. So close. Oh, this was the update. It's a drone. We're purchasing that. We're purchasing that. No more slime ball. We need this. Oh, man. Honey, which you don't have. Quantum, which I've never heard of. Hexcomb, which I've also never heard of. Jellystone, which we have enough of. And wild honey. Oh, man. Oh, you guys. We've got ourselves into quite some. Let's do this. Okay. Oh, man. I think we should just plop these down over here. Install. Okay. Now let those things do their thing. Oh, man. And let's buy this. No! Oh, man. I just created so much work for myself. Oh, man, I'm an idiot. Oh, thanks for that. We just installed it on my ranch. And it's morning. Yay. Oh, you guys, look what we can buy. Oh my gosh. Okay, so these pink slimes enjoy, rock slimes, tabby slimes. Well, I mean, I have a rock slime and a tabby slime. Phosphor slimes. Rad slimes, like a power cell thing. Boom slimes reduces agitation of. So I gave you the right one. I did not give you the right toy. Nope. Quickly take it. Oh, they're not going to be happy with that. So I'm going to give everybody their favorite toy. Puddle slimes. Reduces. Okay, so we need to buy a power cell. I'm going to buy a bomb ball. For you guys, because you guys will enjoy this much more than that darn old rock. Does that thing ever explode? Hope not. Okay. Well, looks like we have to feed them, but that's okay. How are they ready already? Wait. it's 11 minutes in game. So I didn't have to wait that whole time, that whole darn long time in my previous video. Oh, guys. That annoys me. Oh, I'm saddened. Okay, what do you guys think? What do you like better? The thing before Spiral, okay, what do you like better looking? Spiral Steam or the oil? Cause look at that. That's cool. Or you can choose what was the other one? There's the other thing. Oh man. Here, look. There was the lava dust. I actually really love this Spiral Steam stuff. That was so cool to me. But okay. So I have the Spiral Steam for that almost. So I need Deep Brine, Gordo Snare, Buzzwax. Guessing that would be from like some kind of the bee things or something. Advanced Drill. I need more rock floors for the advanced drill. Here, let's see. Oh boy. Okay, you guys, let's get. What do I need for the pump? More boom plorts. Okay, I think we should go feed everybody. Let's. You know what? Okay, be right back. Okay, you guys, I am back. So now, oh man, after a while, let's do this. Okay, got all the boom plorts we need. Pretty darn sure it's boom plorts. If it's not, I will be a sad person. That's okay. I'll set it to get to the dodge. Oh, a blue thing. Okay, that's good. So I'll pump it was the bloom plorts. Let's fabricate, yeah, as many as possible. That's 4. Oh man. So you guys, I think it's a good idea to do that. I think we should do all of them at once. Install, and install. Bam. Okay, so those are all gonna do their thing. I think so. I'm gonna trade in these for some more money. Hopefully we can maybe. So I think I'm gonna sleep, you guys. Let's sleep, and then I think I'll try to sell these. I guess. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to level up my reward system anymore, but we'll see. Let's try that. Let's try. Okay. Right now I just realized I can just sleep instead of actually having to waste normal time in my life. Not waste, but like, yeah. It's kind of like waste just sitting there. Because, you know, then I don't really get to hang out with you guys, you know. Okay, I'll just sleep. A long time to sleep. Okay, what you gonna give me? Yes! You are the best. Let's see if any of you guys can do better. Boink, boink, boink. And nope. Okay, so you guys, I come to conclude that lava dust is rarer than these two. But yeah. Perfect. I'm only get the onions. Okay, you guys, let's collect some onions. Oh man, I just need to take all these and just throw them in the incinerator. Oh man, you guys, I have a. Oh man. Okay, there should be like a flamethrower thing where you can just get rid of a lot of items at once. But look, what do you like better? The lava dust, the oil, the spiral steam. Now you see comparison. I love. Oh man, it might be the lava dust for me. Nope, it's spiral steam. It's so much better. Okay. There we go. And then I think did I need those for? I don't know. Oh yeah, I have these from when I was off camera. I unlocked those, but it's not very important. So if I do this and I get some more slime fossils, what do you mean sold out? Okay. Well, then let's see. I'm gonna need these depots. Yeah, those depots are gonna be important. So let's see. Warp check. I'm gonna need these walk ports. Okay. So now I know what I need to do. Thank you all for watching. Please make sure to share with your friends so we can grow a community. To like and subscribe and comment down below your answer to the question of the day. See you guys later. Bye.